Now we're taking a look at my first gun I bought, which was a Lancer Tactical AEG, which I took all the electrics out and put a Kaifura HPA system in, which allows you just to plug in some air and it's super silent, nice and accurate. And I'm very happy with this build now. Once you go electric, you'll change to HPA and you probably won't look back. So that's that one.